As the clock ticks down to 2026, small business owners must act swiftly. It's not just about understanding the regulations, it's about creating a system that allows for easy access to this critical information. Consider setting up a secure digital file where you can safely store beneficial ownership data. This proactive approach can streamline the process and ensure accuracy in your filings as the deadline approaches. Establishing a clear procedure for gathering and managing this information will also foster transparency within your organization. Encourage open communication among partners about their ownership status and the information required for compliance. Consider holding regular meetings to discuss compliance progress, ensuring everyone is on the same page. By fostering a culture of accountability, your business can seamlessly navigate these changes and be well prepared for FinCEN's new rules. Additionally, it's prudent to consult with a legal or financial advisor who understands the nuances of these regulations. Their expertise can provide invaluable guidance as you work through the reporting process and ensure full compliance. Setting up a timeline for these tasks can help you stay organized. Begin by outlining key milestones, such as deadlines for identifying beneficial owners, collecting necessary data, and filing reports with FinCEN. Incorporate reminders into your calendar for each phase to keep everyone accountable. This structured approach not only alleviates last-minute stress but also provides clear visibility into your compliance journey. By actively managing your timeline and responsibilities, you can ensure that no ownership detail is overlooked as you prepare for the vital changes ahead. Taking these proactive steps reinforces your commitment to transparency and fosters trust within your business. Finally, as you prepare for these legal obligations, remain vigilant about ongoing changes in regulations that FinCEN may introduce. Keep yourself informed through regular updates from reliable sources, so you can adjust your practices accordingly and maintain compliance. By taking these steps now, you ensure your business not only complies with FinCEN's regulations but also thrives in an increasingly transparent financial environment. Embrace these changes as an opportunity to enhance your business practices, ultimately leading to stability and success in the future.
Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or investment advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.